Mo Mhaidin.
Tá sé a 8 clog maidin. In am éirí agus mo chuid éadaí a chur orm. Tá sé a carú tar éis a 8. In am mo bhricfásta a ithe. Tá sé a leabhar tar éis a 8. In am mo chuid fiacla a scúba. Tá sé a carú chun a ní. In am dul ar scoil. Slán!
Ceistena. Ceist a héan. Cén tá mé nuair a éiríonn an cailín? Ceist a dó. Cén tá mé nuair a itheann si a bricfasta? Ceist a trí. Cén tá mé nuair a scúbann si a cuid fiacla? Ceist a ceathair. Cén tá mé nuair a théann si ar scoil?
Okay, so Mo Mhaidin means my morning. In the first picture, tá sé a 8 clog. It is a 8 clog. It's 8 o'clock Mhaidin in the morning. In am éirí. So in am means time. In time to éirí. It's time to get up. Agus mo chuid éadaí. My clothes. My own clothes. Éadaí are clothes. A chur orm to put on me. So she has to get up and put her clothes on. Picture 2, tá sé a carú tar éis a 8. It's carú, which is quarter, tar éis, after a 8. So it's quarter after 8. It's 8:15. In am, in time, or time for, mo bhricfásta a ithe. Time for my bricfasta, my breakfast, a ithe, to eat. Time to eat my breakfast. Picture number 3, tá sé leabhar. Now, úr is an hour, so leabhar is half of an hour. So leabhar tar éis a 8. It's a half hour past 8. So it's 8:30. In am, the time for my chuid fiacla, for my teeth, a scuba, to brush. So to brush my teeth, time to brush my teeth. And then finally, the last picture there, tá sé carú chun a ní. So the first one was carú tar éis a ní, but this one's carú chun. So carú is quarter, chun, quarter to 9. Quarter to 9, time in am, go to dul ar scoil. It's time to go to school. Okay? And then she says slán, which is goodbye. So let's have a look at the questions now. So we can start this work off by putting our page number and title up the top. So question 1. Cén tá mé nuair a éiríonn an cailín? Cén tá mé? What time is it? Nuair means when. A éiríonn an cailín. What time is it when the girl wakes up? So to start this question, to start the answer here, we have to start off with the verb. So the verb is éiríonn, which is gets up. Éiríonn an cailín. The girl gets up. Ag a 8 clog Mhaidin. Ag is at 8 o'clock in the morning. Okay? Question 2. Cén tá mé nuair a itheann si a bricfasta? So cén tá mé, what time is it? Nuair is when. A itheann si, when she eats her breakfast. Start off with the verb again. Itheann si, she eats. A bricfasta, her breakfast. Ag a carú tar éis a 8, at 8:15. Okay, next one. Cén tá mé nuair a scúbann si a cuid fiacla? What time is it when she scúbann si, when she brushes her teeth? So start off with the verb. Scúbann si a cuid fiacla. She brushes her teeth. Ag a leabhar tar éis a 8. Leabhar is half an hour. Tar éis means after a 8. 8 o'clock, so at 8:30, that's when she brushes her teeth. And question 4, cén tá é? What time is it? Nuair means when. A théann si, when she goes to school, ar scoil. So start off with the verb. We start off with théann. So you drop the H. Théann si, ar scoil. She goes to school, ag carú chun a ní, at 8:45. Well done, everyone.